In this movie, I'm going to demonstrate creating a new file geodatabase, and I'm going to do that from within ArcMap. At ArcGIS 10, we have the ability to open up Arc Catalog as a separate environment and do it there, or we can do it inside ArcMap. First step would be, of course, to open the catalog window by clicking the catalog button. And then you will either need to make or have a connection to the folder where you're going to put the new geodatabase. I right-clicked my ctemp, new file geodatabase. Notice I'm putting it in an area where, of course, I have write permission. It has a simple file name. These remain important to some degree, not to put your geodatabases in folders with difficult or names that include punctuation. So that is all it takes to create my file geodatabase. I could import feature classes, or I could create a new feature class, which we want to do for this homework example. I'm going to do a new single feature class, and it's going to be the river in this example. I want it to be a polygon, but of course I could pick other features. I don't need M or Z values in the flat river polygon, so I will default that. I need to know what projection system we're going to be using, and in this homework we are in UTM and we are in Ohio, so we're using NAD 83 zone 17. Tolerance doesn't need to have that kind of precision for what we're doing, although they say accept the default, so we'll just leave it with the default. And I'm going to take the defaults to these. This is an area where we would be able to control the columns in the table, which we don't need to worry about in this example. So I have created a new layer. It's empty, remember, we haven't put anything in it yet, so when I drag it over here I don't see it. In fact, it automatically was put in my table of contents when I do this operation within the catalog window. In the next movie I will demonstrate how we actually digitize the river and store that inside this new blank feature class that we created.